Hi there, students. Catatonic, an adjective. Catatonia, the noun. Okay, so let's see. Catatonia or catatonic. This is when somebody is just unable to move. This is a medical condition. Yeah, maybe it's related to mental processes as well. It's normally associated with schizophrenia. But if somebody is catatonic, they can't move, they can't speak, they can't do anything. But that in itself is very technical and of very limited use. But we can use this much more metaphorically. A rabbit in the headlights of a car at night, it just freezes, and you could say that the rabbit is catatonic. Yeah, or very often they use this as well to say that somebody was incredibly drunk. Yeah, we were absolutely catatonic last night. You were catatonic, mate. Okay, so so drunk that you couldn't move. You can also use this to mean somebody's very, very tired. They're so exhausted that they can hardly move. So, having stacked 3 tons of firewood, I was almost catatonic. I could barely move. Yeah. After an incredibly tiring day, he was catatonic. Yeah, he was just unable to speak, unable to move. Yeah. So somebody who's catatonic, they're stiff. They don't move. They don't react. They don't say anything at all. Okay. So catatonic. This is from psychiatry, catatonic schizophrenia, but use this informally to say just totally unresponsive. Yeah. Okay, so he was so shocked by the good news that he was catatonic for a few moments. He was in a catatonic state. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, he was catatonic with happiness. When panic set in, he was almost catatonic. Yeah, so he just couldn't move, he couldn't say anything. So notice the disease itself, or the medical condition, 5 informality use anyway. It's pretty technical. But if you use it to say that somebody just can't move, yeah, this I think is more like 3.5 to 4 informality. Yeah, I was catatonic when I discovered that he'd crashed my car. Yeah, I was absolutely speechless. I'd eaten so much food, I lay catatonic on the sofa, and unable to move. Okay, so yeah, they use this catatonic humorously quite often. Yeah, you're just unable to move. You're so exhausted, so drunk. Yeah, you're still conscious, but just unable to move. You can be catatonic from shock. Yeah, catatonic from surprise, something like that. Okay, so as to origin, okay, this Catatonia comes from German, Catatonie, from New Latin, Catatonia, a Greek word meaning to stretch tight, kata, pulled, and tone. Okay, so if somebody's catatonic, they're in a stupor, they can't move. Yeah, I guess you could say that when your computer freezes, my computer's catatonic, I can't get it out, so it's working but it's frozen. Alt Control Supprimiere. Alt Control Delete is the first thing to try, yeah, when your computer is catatonic. Okay, so catatonic. Enough. Yeah, it was such a marvellous video, it's left you catatonic. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. goodbye for now. Catatonia, catatonic.